Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I review on Sony 55X 9000H 4K HDR LED Android TV. Please watch this video till end. Please like this video and subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. The Sony X90H series runs on Android TV 9P and supports Google Assistant along with Apple AirPlay. It's possible to buy a good 55-inch 4K LED TV such as the MI TV 4X 5050 for under 40,000 rupees right now. So the idea of television with similar specification and featuring costing 1,29,900 might be a bit too much for many to stomach. You can even get decent QLED television from brands such as OnePlus and TCL for half as much. So what exactly is there to the Sony 55X 9000H that justifies its rather high price? There is obviously more to the Sony 55X 9000H than its brand name. Key Dolby Atomus, to name a few. Does all of this come together to make the Sony 55X 9000H a worthwhile purchase for anyone looking for a new premium TV? Find out in our review. Sony 55X 9000H 4K HD HDR LEDs Android TV design and specification. Will it might be okay for budget big screen 4K LED the TV to look simple and to the point more it's expected of a premium model such as the Sony 55X 9000. Indeed, the television delivers. It looks and feels particularly good compared to most 55-inch 4K TV thanks to a slim aluminum frame and an overall overall thickness that does not have the television extend too far off the wall. The silver edges look good without being distracting, making this perhaps the most spectified looking 55-inch television I will used in a wheel. The Sony 55X 9000H has the standard to bottom firing full range speakers with the total output of 20 watt. Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos and DTS digital surrounded formats are supported through the TV speaker system. The 55-inch Ultra HD LED screen through the features full array local dimming with the support for HDR up to the Dolby Vision's format. The maximum refresh rate is 120 Hz at full HD resolution and 60 Hz at Ultra HD. All of this is driven by Sony X1 4K HDR pictures processor, which will not as capable as the X1 Ultimate. In the Sony A9G OLED TV is adequate for the LED screen on the Sony X9000H. The TV comes with table stands included in the box, which are just was well designed and built as the TV itself. However, unlike many high-end Sony TV, these stands are attached near the corners and are wide as well, so you will need a large table to place the Sony 55X 9000H on. You can option for well maintaining at the time of installation free of charge, with the technician providing the correct wall moment equipment. This TV uses standard Visa whole pitches measurements show